Good morning, students. Yesterday we discussed about the method for separation of miscible liquids by the process of fractional distillation. Now today we will discuss how to separate a mixture containing two or more immiscible liquids. That is done by a special instrument, that is separating funnel. Separation of immiscible liquids can be done through a separating funnel on the basis of difference in their densities. Miscible liquids, yesterday we discussed, can be separated on the basis of their difference in the boiling points, and now on the basis of difference in their density we can separate the immiscible liquids from each other. Let us see how it happens. Liquid having higher density or the heavier liquid forms lower layer, whereas the liquid with lower density or the lighter liquid that forms the upper layer when they are mixed together to form a mixture. And you can see in the given diagram, this is the separating funnel. This funnel consists of a rounded structure, rounded bottle like structure with a stop cock. When we open the stop cock, drop by drop, the liquid starts coming into it, coming out of it. Now when we put the mixture containing immiscible liquids, then the lighter liquid that forms the upper layer and the heavier liquid that forms the lower layer. We can see in this given diagram, we have taken mixture of kerosene and water. In this, kerosene is having lower density and water is having higher density, so they are forming two separate layers. When we open the stop cock of the separating funnel, first drop by drop water, that is the heavier liquid which is located at the bottom, comes out of it, and then we can collect it in a separate vessel and we can separate kerosene from it. So this way we can separate mixture of two or more than two immiscible liquids. That's all for today. Thank you.